How to get better at Block Blast. Here's how we do it. You want to open up the app itself, and I've just entered classic mode here. So you want to begin with optimal blocks for you. So how can we begin with optimal blocks? You will click on the gear icon in the top right and you will select replay until you get the blocks that you can think you can pull off. Now here, what we're gonna begin doing is adding these blocks 3 slots from the bottom to the top. So I'll just skip 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, just like that, and I will place it. Now what I'm going to do is add the other one right above it, like so, and I'll add this one underneath it. So basically what you want to do is have how do you say this, 2 lines from the bottom going up and 2 lines going from the top and going down. Now what this is going to do is it's gonna make Block Blast give you fitting blocks. So here, as you can see, I have 1 slot that is missing and Block Blast automatically gives me this one. So essentially what Block Blast is going to do is it's gonna give you blocks which match the ones that you need. So let me just do that real quick. So I'll just place it like this and I can fill out the rest like so. And again, as you can see, Block Blast gives me these 2 blocks and this one fits perfectly just like that. And again, I can repeat the same process here. So I'll just add it like this and it keeps on giving me these blocks which fit perfectly essentially. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub if it did help, and I'll see you next time.